Let me leave this saying to you. Ignorance is far riskier than knowledge. Therefore, sex education should be implemented in school. That's all. Thank you.
A pleasant day to everyone. I am Clyden Ramos, the Opposition Whip. And as the Opposition Whip, I will now hand to you the points that we have made. The use of contraceptives and condoms don't guarantee a disease-free sex. For these things occasionally fail, which may lead to abortion and other problems with regards to sex. Using this could make things worse. There are big possibility that it would interfere with the woman's immune system, making her more prone to STD, breast cancer, liver cancer, and cervical cancer. Besides, sex education should only be taught at home because it is a private and sensitive topic and it shouldn't be talked over in public. It is better to discuss sexual responsibility in a one-to-one context, either with older siblings or parents, or perhaps via internet youth portals. It is the duty of parents, preferably of same-sex. Girls should get from mom and boys should get this education from dad. In schools, they show a video that is basically pornography while they are in 7th grade. They are too young to learn at that age. They will also want to have sex afterwards. Surprisingly, teen pregnancies and STIs in teens are very low in a society where no sex education is given in school compared to the society where it is provided in schools. Plus, the best way to reduce the rate of pregnancy and sex-related diseases like AIDS is promotion of abstinence and chastity. Teens who practice abstinence are much less likely to experience a physical or emotional abuse relationship, drop out of high school, engage in substance abuse, or feel pressured into having sex. All risk factors for teens to explore and become sexually active at an early age. Abstinence costs nothing and there are no side effects, as there are with oral contraceptives and many other forms of pregnancy prevention. Chastity is more than just avoiding sex so that you don't get pregnant, get diseases. Chastity is about living and respecting our sexuality the way God made us, allowing us to participate and find real love, God's love. Because when it comes right down to it, kids aren't looking for sex. They're looking for love. And they're not finding it in sex. They need to hear that they'll find it in chastity. That's all. Thank you. May we have a great day ahead.